Hey everybody, welcome back. So now that a majority of the fab work is done, or all the major fab work I should say, we are on to the final assembly stage of this. Of course, it's all going to have to come apart for all the brackets to be painted. I'm going to have to do some body work back here on this rear apron. I don't know if you can see, there's a dent right in here. And that was from years ago, running on the freeway when it was just regularly lowered. Ratchet strap off the semi hit right here. Bent that up, tweaked that, bent this part up. So yeah, I'm gonna have to do the body work on that and on this. But for right now, we're gonna air this thing up, roll it out of the garage, clean up my mess of tools and shit thrown everywhere, and give the ground a good little clean before I get started on teardown. So I'll put the stand up, and then you guys can watch along as Herbie comes back apart yet again. Alright, time to air this thing up and roll it on out. Alright, there's that. Next up is tear down. So I'll put you guys back on when it's time to tear that down. Probably do that tomorrow. Noah just got up from his nap, so I'll put you guys back on tomorrow. Alright, here we go. It's tear down time. So here we are, got her all stripped down for the most part. I still have, well, I guess it's not totally stripped down. I still have the upper mounts and the rest of everything else that I made to tear apart, but I'm gonna call this video quits. I mean, thanks for watching me tear everything apart, but yeah, so I'm just gonna continue tearing this thing down and paint brackets and stuff. I'm not sure what the next video will be, but I'll come up with something good. So I guess until next time, thanks for watching, thanks for subbing. Catch you guys on the flip side.